Hi, so if I can get it in shot, this is the morning wood go-kart. It's called morning wood because I'm doing woodwork in the morning. It's now 11 o'clock, so I just want to show you the 1000-watt mountain boards that I've got. So here it is. There's the batteries, but it's not staying like this. It's going to be converted into the morning wood go-kart. Right, I'll show you quickly what it looks like. So, metal wheels, good tyres. There's the motor underneath. That's the controller. This is the batteries here, the battery pack. That sits along there. There's the busted wheel. Got suspension at the front, but I'm not using the front suspension. I'm going to make it out of wood, a wooden steering rack and column. Tyre on the other side, the board. It's got a remote somewhere, it's got a charger. Okay, I'll spin it upside down and show you it upside down, what the components look like. Okay, it's upside down on my toolbox. So let's take a closer look. As you can see, the tyres are new. 3 good wheels. Motor with, I can't see inside what sort of drive it is. Don't know whether it's belt drive or chain driven. Back axle, back wheel. The control unit. This is a beast of a battery pack. The front axle. That's a damaged wheel. Got a battery charger. That banging's my tortoise. Should go and feed him in a minute. Due his dinner. Right, that's the remote. So you're going to want to see it working, aren't you? Turn it on. Turn it on there. Watch for a dog. It bites things. That's just pressing it slightly. Stay away, you. Oh, I knew he'd do this. Come here. Come here. Stay. Stay. So that's it full speed. You can imagine I'm not going on that. No chance. Show it again. Right, that's it. So you can see that is powerful. That's got pure power in it. It's okay. Yeah, it's things like that. Alright, it's alright, it's all gone now. It's all gone. But as you can see, that is pure powerful. There is no way I'm riding this as a mountain board. No way. I'm going to convert it, so I'm going to start stripping it tonight and I'll catch up with you in a bit. But yeah, that's it. The beast from hell. Okay, so it's not the morning now, it's afternoon. So, and it's a miserable afternoon too. It's throwing it down, the sky's grey, cloudy. Anyway, I've got all the things out that I think I need. So, just show you. This wood here, don't think I'll need that. But, this is the main beam. It's really thick and strong. If you look, it's not much shorter than the board itself. The go-kart's going to be the same size as the board. So, that's the beam. I've got a metal bar here, but if you look, inside it is another bar. That's going to be the steering rod. So, got this wood here, a few thick pieces, got these here, got a bag here full of big blocks of wood, but I've also got this. So I'm going to use these wheels. I bought it off my dad, and the money I gave him went to the British Lung Foundation, because we've been raising money, the family. So I've got that wheelchair, but the main thing, I want these wheels. So that's all the stuff. Don't want to do much sawing, not today anyway. So I'll catch up with you in a bit. I'm going to lay it all out and see what it looks like. Right, last night I couldn't sleep, so I stayed up late. I drew 5 pages of plans for the Morning Wood go-kart. Laugh every time I say that. For the Morning Wood go-kart, so yeah, I drew 5 pages. So here's a video of the pages now that I drew. Doodles really, had fun doing it too. Not doodled for years.